everyone, it's Kawan Excel again with Heru here, and in this tutorial I will show you how to adding uh, thumbs up or thumbs down symbol in our chart. So here I will show you a little bit of demo of how this chart works. Here I have a table with the name and a real and a target. We have the target for 25 and the real for the 30 and 26. So whenever the real is greater than the target, the chart will show us the thumbs up or thumbs down according to the real compared to the target. So whenever the real is greater than target, it will show us the thumbs up, and whenever the real is less than the target, the thumbs will change to the thumbs down. So let me demo it a little bit. Whenever I change this to the 24 maybe, and I hit enter, and then the chart will be updated and the thumbs will be changed to the thumbs down. So it will do the same stuff for the second line. Whenever I change to the 23 maybe and I hit enter, it will change to the thumbs down, and we can go change it to the 35 maybe, like this, and the thumbs will be go back to thumbs up. And I will show you how to make it real quick. Okay, without further ado, let's go to the stuff. Okay, first of all I will copy the or I will make the new sheet here, and I will copy the table here. This I will copy and then I will paste here, Control V. And first of all we have to make a helper column here with the symbol formula. Let me make this helper columns like this. I hit enter, and then we will give it the simple formula for this column. If the real is greater or equal to the target here, and then we will have the C, and then we will have the D if it be less than the target. Okay, I will explain it to you real quick. I hit enter. Sorry, I should change this to the semicolon like this because I set it to my local setting. Hit enter, and then I will just copy and then paste down here, and we will have the C and D. Whenever the real is greater than the target, it will show us the C, and whenever the real is less than the target, it will show us the G. Okay, so then we have to make it the chart for this original table. You can change this table according to your own table, but here I will use this table. Click insert, and then I click the chart like this, and I will move it here, and then I will remove the line, hit delete, and then I will change the orientation of this data because it shows us the real and the target separately. So I have to right click and then select the data, and I switch column like this, and hit OK. So we can compare for the Kawan according to the real and the target. Okay, and then what we have to do is just right click for the real chart here, the blue one. Right click, and then we have to add the data labels like this. Then we have to click the data label that already show. Right click for the data label, and then we have to click to the format data label here. Okay, a pop-up will appear right here. Sorry, I will expand. And then we have to click to the value from cell like here, and then we have to choose the helper column that we already made here and then here. I cannot show you right now. I will click it, and for the helper column it's just like this. Yeah. Then we will have the data label with C and 35 and T and 23 like this. So you have to click again for the data label, right click and then format data label, and then we have to delete the value and the show letter lines, uncheck here, and then we have the C and D. Okay, and then what we have to do is just to, sorry, I will remove this here. Okay, what we have to do is just click the data label, and then we have to format it to the sorry, click the data label and then click the home tab, and then we have to choose this to the wingding. The font style is just wingdings like this. Yeah, hit enter and it will show us an icon. We can make it greater like this. We hit the scale up like this. So we have the thumbs up and thumbs down. Thumbs up whenever the real is greater than target, and thumbs down whenever the real is less than target like this. Okay, and then we can place this into the chart. Scroll down and then I will click the center like here, and then we can make it white. Okay, so it's already done, and we can try to change the number in order to make sure that our chart and our thumbs up or thumbs down is already work. Okay, I will change this to the maybe 40 and I hit enter. I will change to the thumbs up. Okay, I will change this to the 20 maybe. Here it will change to the thumbs down like this. Okay, I hope this tutorial is useful, and please click subscribe or like whenever you like this video. See you guys. Bye.